Sa pag-iinit ng panahon sa maraming lugar sa Canada, ilang paalala naman ang itinutulak ng mga eksperto para ligtas na ma-enjoy ito. Ang kanilang tips sa report na ito. Kasabay ng pagdating ng mainit na panahon sa ilang bahagi ng Canada ang pagbabalik ng ilang summer activities gaya ng swimming at pagbilad sa araw. Kung kaya't ang ilang eksperto, may paalala.
You don't want to use sun protection, you have a higher risk of developing skin cancer like melanoma, squamous cell carcinoma, and basal cell carcinoma. Melanoma can metastasize, it can spread if it's not caught early. So it's very important to check.
Ang mainit na panahon ngayong Mayo, kasabay din ng Melanoma Awareness Month. Ang dermatologist na si Dr. Kimberly Tantuco nagbigay ng ilang paalala bago mag-enjoy sa labas. Gaya na lamang ng pagsusuot ng sun protective clothing, sunglasses o UV face shield at paggamit ng payong. Ugaliin din daw magpahid ng sunscreen na may titanium at zinc oxide kada 2 oras ng pagpapawis o paglangoy.
As much as possible, reapply sunscreen. We do prefer using a lotion or a cream over the sprays, the aerosols. We don't really recommend using the aerosols because you can't get an even application. Um, you need at least 2 tablespoons to apply to all your exposed areas.
Dagdag niya, kahit sa mga nagpapatan, kailangan pa rin daw gumamit ng broad-spectrum sun protection, lalo't maaaring magdulot ng maagang pagtanda o premature aging ang UVA rays, at mahapding sunburn naman ang UVB rays.
So not only wrinkles, but also it can cause melasma. And I know a lot of females or even males do not want to have hyperpigmentation or darkening of the cheeks.
Mula ngayong buwan hanggang Oktubre, si Tantuco bahagi ng programang Mole kung saan mag-iikot ang certified dermatologists sa higit 130 komunidad sa Canada para tutukan ang banta ng melanoma.
If wala silang dermatologist or they're worried about something like a mole and they can't get into the doctor or the family doctor, then try to get to the mole mobile. Sign up
Person.
and you have to come out, and we're in a trailer, legit mobile, and you line up and we screen you.